Hello friends, this video is gonna be very special as I am going to introduce you many important people. We will enjoy this journey by walking in the woods. So let's start.
Welcome to Anurak's YouTube channel. It's all my fault, make Lara crazy by eating too much dumplings.
Lara can swim, right?
Or Lara can just lay down, we can walk over.
Yeah, walk on it.
Or you guys can all jump in. Doesn't look like this.
It's a brand.
Dumpling, no? Too much dumpling.
Human
Spinach dumpling. You put in dumpling. Are you vlogging? You filming?
Like I show you as a scary, like, you know, like an actual cannibalism. Wait, Ellen, I will go first. Ellen, I will go first.
You will go first? Okay.
Where should I go? There,
You
right?
go across and then we want to get out there. But if you get out there, it's fine. Then you can just walk in.
Okay. Yeah. Be careful.
So this is the only water we are crossing, I think, right?
Is it a movie now?
Yeah.
One more.
It's a
Oh, okay,
cinematic
so we are
effect.
going through
Let's
that.
get
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just wondering how much is the memory capacity.
I don't know. It's
If you don't record in 4K, that would go for maybe if you. I don't think this phone can record in 4K.
जब आप योग्य हो
iPhone 13 you can do.
और लोग आपकी योग्यता ना पहचान बहुत तकलीफ
Not
होती
just
है
4K, you can do Dolby Vision. I think the best way is to just remove
You
it.
have to buy me an iPhone 13 if my phone like
You wish. You know what? I can cook you and then sell you to the Apple store and get
Oh my God.
You're already recording again. Oh.
I'm the cameraman.
Yeah. It's on.
oh no it's
I will give some effects.
but I know swimming but this is very shallow you can't swim even you can just walk
You can just lay down. You can lay down on the water.
You want to say something, Alan?
Same skin.
Yeah,
You want to say something, Ellen?
Yeah, today we're going
Meet
to interview our resident cannibal.
cannibal.
Resident cannibal. So, which is the tastiest food so far?
Which one? Not yet. Not reach the standard yet. Maybe let's wait for another half an hour.
She's observing everyone like.
You can start with the toast.
She's slowly applying lemon juice.
I can start with appetizer. Let's put Jeffrey as one of the appetizers.
Jeffrey. Wow.
Jeffrey, if I were you, I'll be afraid, very afraid. I think she already have an eye on you.
Oh yes. It's all my fault. Make Lara crazy by eating too much dumplings. And that dumpling probably. That's the reason why.
This is only alcohol.
Who is the main course, Lara?
You.
Like peace.
You asked me, so it's you. Let's go. We go up.